The time has come for hundreds of people who got their first COVID-19 shot to get their booster.
Some of them just aren't sure where to get it. KXAN's Tahera Rahman joining us live from the Dell Medical Center with more on how this confusion is being sorted out.
Robert, Sydney, the state of Texas is focusing on funneling COVID-19 vaccines now to hubs across the state like this one here at the UT Health Dell Medical Center. But some people are telling us they still don't know when or where to show up for their second shot. And some are saying that they're signing up for any waiting list they can find.
How would it affect me? I don't know. It's just, I want to be prepared.
Ronnie Carlson is diabetic. That's why he's extra grateful he and his wife were able to get vaccinated last week at the Delco Center. But then another question surfaced.
So my wife asked one of the people there, it's like, what do we do about the second vaccine? And I wouldn't say frustration, but that was just where nobody really knew.
Carlson is one of more than 300 people who are now on Tarrytown Pharmacy's waiting list for a second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
They're from here in Austin. There's some people from the mass immunization hubs up in Dallas and San Antonio. There's some people that were from Laredo.
Rannon Ching says they have more than 500 of their own patients to follow up with first. Those second doses are set to arrive by Tuesday morning.
It just shows that there's a lot of people that are looking for second doses that either haven't been communicated with enough or just are confused with the whole process.
Carlson still has until February 9th to get his booster shot. He plans to let Tarrytown know if he gets an appointment somewhere else.
If Austin Public Health comes out and says, hey, be here this date and get it, I said, I'll let you know so you can take me off the list and give it to somebody else.
Now, according to Austin Public Health's website, they say that they will be reaching out to patients who received their first vaccine with them within the CDC's timeline. They say that should happen the same way you received your initial confirmation. So if you got an email the first time around, you should be receiving an email reminder to set that second appointment. However, Austin Public Health hasn't told us yet whether or not they've started that process at this time. Live in Austin, Tahera Rahman, KXAN News.
Right now, Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are being distributed in Texas. For Pfizer, you're supposed to get your booster shot about 21 days later. For Moderna, it's about 28 days later. By those guidelines, people who got their Moderna shots on December 21st and Pfizer shots on December 28th should have gotten their booster shot today. For Texas, that time frame was mostly week 2 of vaccine distribution. Here's a look at the list for Travis County. None of these places are on the list to get doses this week. That's because the Department of State Health Services list only includes places that are getting first doses at this time. So there is no public-facing way to track if these providers are fully stocked for their second dose patients. But DSHS tells us second doses are expected to be delivered tomorrow to providers who received doses in weeks 1 and 2. As you can see here, the list from week 2 includes several H-E-B stores and the Austin Regional Clinic. ARC notified patients last week they would not be administering any more first doses at this time so as to preserve their supply for the second dose that are needed by many people. And as we just learned that Pfizer vaccines expected to arrive today will be received late, impacting 55 providers. DSHS says they'll get the doses tomorrow.